So hello dude, what's up? In this video we are going to study about new ministers of India. So let's start the video. Rashtrapati Bhavan Press Commune. The President of India, advised by the Prime Minister, has directed the allocation of portfolios among the following members of Council of Ministers. Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister and also in charge of Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Prisons, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issue and all other policies not allocated to any minister, cabinet minister. Let's study about the new cabinet ministers of India. First is Sri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defence; Sri Amit Shah, Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation; Sri Nitin Jairan Gadkari, Minister of Road and Transport Highway; Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Minister of Finance and Minister of Corporate Affairs; Sri Narendra Singh Tomar, Minister of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare; Dr. Subramania Jainakar, Minister of External Affairs; Sri Arjun Munda, Minister of Tribal Affairs; Srimati Smriti Zubin Irani, Minister of Women and Child Development; Sri Piyush Goyal, Minister of Commerce and Industry; Minister of Consumer Affairs, Public Food Distribution and Textile Minister; Sri Dharmendra Pradhana, who is our new Education Minister and the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship; Sri Prahlad Joshi, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Minister of Coals and Minister of Mine; Sri Narayan Tute Rane, Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises; Sri Sabardana Sonwal, Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of Ayush; Sri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Minister of Minority Affairs; Dr. Virendra Kumar, Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment; Sri Giriraj Singh, Minister of Rural Development and Minister of Panchayati Raj; Sri Jyotiraje M. Sindhya, Minister of Civil Aviation; Sri Rampancha Prasad, Minister of Steel; Sri Ashwini Vaishnaw, Minister of Railway, Minister of Communication and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology; Sri Pasupati Kumar Paras, Minister of Food Processing Industry; Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Minister of Jal Shakti; Sri Kiran Rijiju, Minister of Law and Justice; Sri Raj Kumar Singh, Minister of Power and Minister of New and Renewable Energy; Sri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs; Sri Mansukh Mandavia, Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers; Sri Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Minister of Labour and Employment; Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey, Minister of Heavy Industry; Sri Purushottam Rupala, Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairies; Sri G. Kishan Reddy, Minister of Culture, Minister of Tourism and Minister of Development of North East Region; Sri Anurag Singh Thakur, Minister of Information Broadcasting and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports; Minister of State Independent Charge. First is Rao Indrajit Singh, Minister of State, independent charge of the Minister of Statistics and Program Implementation. Minister of State, independent charge of Minister of Planning and Minister of State in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State, independent charge of the Ministry of Science Technology. Minister of State, independent charge of Ministry of Earth Science. Ministry of State in the Prime Minister Office. Minister of State in the Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions. Minister of State in the Department of Atomic Energy and the Minister of State in Department of Space. Minister of State Sri Sripad Yaso Naik, Minister of State in with the Minister of Sport, Shipping and Waterways and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism, Sri Bhagu Singh Kusle, Minister of State in the Ministry of Steel and Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development. Minister of State Sri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Minister of State in the Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Sri Ashwini Kumar Choube, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture, General Retired V.K. Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, Ministry of State in the Ministry of the Civil Aviation, Sri Krishna Pal, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Power and Minister of State in the Ministry of Heavy Industry, Sri Dhane Rao Sahib Dharau, Ministry of State in the Ministry of Railway, Minister of State in the Ministry of Coal and Minister of State in the Ministry of Mine, Sri Ramdas Athawale, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Sadhvi Niranjana Jyoti, Minister of State in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Rural Development, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Balyan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairies, Sri Nityanand Rai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Sri Pankaj Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Finance, Srimati Anupriya Singh Patel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Professor S.P. Singh Baghel, Minister of State in the Ministry of Law and Justice, Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Minister of State in the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Sri Shobha Karjaredwa, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers, Sri Bhanu Pratap Singh Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Srimati Darshana Vikram Jorsad, Minister of State in the Ministry of Textile and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Railways, Srimati Muralidharan, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture, Sri Son Prakash, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Srimati Renuka Singh Saruta, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Sri Rameswar Teli, Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Minister of State in the Ministry of Labor and Employment, Sri Kailash Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Development, Srimati Annapurna Devi, Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Sri A. Narayan Swamy, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice Empowerment, Sri Kaushal Kishore, Minister of State in the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Sri Ajay Bhatt, Minister of State in the Ministry of Defence and Minister of State in the Ministry of Tourism, Sri B.L. Verma, Minister of State in the Ministry of Development of North East Region and the Minister of State in the Ministry of Cooperation, Sri Ajay Kumar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs, Sri Dhuvini Sen Chauhan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Communication, Sri Bhagwanath Khubba, Minister of State in the Ministry of News and Renewable Energy and Minister of State and the Minister of Chemical Fertilizer, Sri Kapil Maheshwar Patil, Minister of State in the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Susri Pratima Bhumik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Subhda Sarkar, Minister of State Ministry of Education, Sri Bhagwat Kishan Rao Kharad, Minister of State Ministry of Finance, Sri Raju Kumar Ranjan Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of External Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Education, Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar, Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Sri Biswanwar Todu, Minister of State in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Sri Shantanu Thakur, Minister of State in the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, Dr. Manujupara Mahendwarai Bhai, Minister of State in the Ministry of Women, Child Development and Minister of State in the Ministry of Ayush, Sri John Barla, Minister of State in the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Dr. M. Morgan, Minister of State in the Ministry of Fisheries, L. Husbandry, Dairy and Minister of State in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Sri Nitin Parnimik, Minister of State in the Ministry of Home Affairs and Minister of State in the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. इमीडिएट रिलीज अजय कुमार सिंह, प्रेस सेक्रेटरी। ये था आपके सब मिनिस्टर सब थे। आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, अगर अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपके तक पहुंचते रहे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।